Hello everyone, welcome back to Tactim. Emojis can make your LinkedIn post more engaging, readable, and memorable. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use emojis on LinkedIn. Number 1, always use as bullet points. It helps to break text into clear sections. Number 2, highlight key information. Draw attention to starts and actions. Number 3, try emojis match your tone. Try to keep professional, not too playful. Number 4, don't overdo it. Try to use 2 to 5 emojis per post is plenty. Stay relevant. Choose those emojis that fit your message. Always emojis aren't decoration, they are tools. So use them to guide your reader, not distract them. That's all. If you all like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.